Bruce here, petturkeys.com. So, I'm checking on these babies. I threw a branch in here just because baby turkeys love green. But I came in here because I'm hearing a baby turkey giving a squeak that means it's sick. Or maybe cold. But it's giving the little lost turkey call version. And what I'm looking for is a poult with droopy wings. And a lot of times that means, that's my first indication that it's not going to survive. That's a lost turkey call, but more like, where's mom at? The true lost turkey call. The other one I heard was a sick bird.